Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we dive into the controversial topic of chemtrails. Join us as we explore the claims surrounding these alleged atmospheric spraying programs and separate fact from fiction. The chemtrail conspiracy theory suggests that visible trails left by aircraft, known as contrails, are actually deliberate releases of chemicals or biological agents by the government or other entities. Proponents claim that these chemtrails have hidden purposes, such as weather manipulation, population control, or the spread of toxins. Let's examine the claims made by chemtrail theorists. They argue that contrails differ from chemtrails based on their persistence, color, and behavior. They suggest that chemtrails linger in the sky for longer periods, spread out to form a cloud-like appearance, and contain substances harmful to human health and the environment. Contrails, short for condensation trails, are formed when hot jet engine exhaust cools rapidly in the cold upper atmosphere, causing the water vapor to condense into visible ice crystals. Contrails can persist or dissipate based on atmospheric conditions, wind patterns, and humidity levels. The variations in appearance are a result of these factors rather than intentional spraying. Skeptics of the chemtrail theory argue that the supposed evidence lacks scientific basis and is often based on misinterpretations or misunderstandings. They emphasize that aviation authorities, atmospheric scientists, and experts in related fields have consistently debunked the chemtrail claims, citing extensive research and studies. It's important to consider the historical context in which the chemtrail conspiracy theory emerged. The fear and mistrust associated with government actions and technological advancements have contributed to the growth of such theories. However, scientific consensus and peer-reviewed research contradict the chemtrail narrative. These are just a few examples of the claims made by chemtrail theorists. However, it's crucial to approach conspiracy theories with critical thinking and evaluate the available evidence. The overwhelming consensus among experts in relevant fields dismisses the notion of intentional spraying of harmful substances in the form of chemtrails. In conclusion, while the chemtrail conspiracy theory continues to circulate, scientific research and expert consensus refute its claims. Contrails are a natural phenomenon resulting from aircraft engine exhaust, and there is no credible evidence supporting the existence of intentional spraying programs for malicious purposes. Disclaimer: the purpose of this video is to present a balanced perspective on the chemtrail conspiracy theory. The overwhelming consensus among experts suggests that chemtrails are a misinterpretation of contrails, and there is no credible evidence supporting intentional atmospheric spraying. Conspiracy theories should be evaluated critically, and conclusions should be based on credible sources and expert consensus. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the controversial topic of chemtrails. Remember, critical thinking and evidence-based analysis are essential when examining extraordinary claims. Let's continue to approach these subjects with open minds and rely on credible sources and expert consensus. Until next time, take care.